Very quickly, the importance of quality in business. Quality helps maintain and build your reputation. It helps you to increase sales revenue by selling more products and services. It reduces returns, refunds and recalls, which cuts your costs, which boosts your profit. It maximizes your profit, and it creates brand loyalty amongst existing and indeed potential customers. Then you need to apply the knowledge to the case study. So I've written a few things here that could appear in a case study about a company based on quality, that's proud of quality. And then here comes the really important analysis and evaluation, the so what. Increased costs are inevitable with products that don't live up to legal standards or meet customers' expectations. This all takes time, and time is money in business. Lost sales, increased costs from possible legal disputes, fines, compensation. The other good thing about quality is it allows businesses to command premium prices, i.e. if you think you've got really good quality goods, you can charge more, equals increased sales revenue.